Concord police are investigating the death related this weekend's winter storm. They say an 18-year-old who disappeared was found dead a day and a half later. As Queen City News reporter Matt Stell tells us, officials believe the extreme cold temperatures played a factor in the death.
Concord police say it appears that what started off as a night of fun here on Pine Street Northwest eventually ended in tragedy involving 18-year-old Yadira Castro. Authorities say during Saturday's snowstorm, Castro left home to hang out with friends, with her parents telling her to be back by her 8 o'clock curfew. Police tell us Castro had reportedly gotten intoxicated and was last seen leaving a friend's house on Pine Street around 10:30 that night. Her parents told police that they had last spoke with her just before 11. But the 18-year-old never made it home Saturday night, with Castro's family reporting her missing Sunday morning. Concord police say video they obtained shows the young woman walking in the snow about half a mile from her friend's house. An all-day search involving canines, the Concord Fire Department, drones, and even a search party led by Castro's family still seemed to come up short. Concord police say Castro's body was eventually found late Monday afternoon with no signs of foul play, but believe that alcohol and the extreme cold both played a role in her death. Concord police say, of course, this is an ongoing investigation and an official cause of death will be determined by the state medical examiner. In Concord, Matt Stell, Queen City News.
Queen City News Plus. Just search Queen City News on your smart TV's app store.